Hi mga ka-charming! So, pupunta kami sa U Garden.
My
Ito na
garden?
yun. U Garden.
My
yan.
garden. You garden eh?
No, U
Our
Garden.
family garden eh?
So, doon tayo mag-picture at mag-makeup, ha? Okay? Kasi ito ang may gusto guys, pumunta doon. Ito. Saan gusto pumunta? Sa U Garden. Gusto niyo costume ng mga Chinese traditional clothes.
Mommy, when we're there and they don't like my nails, they'll take it out.
No, I'm gonna take out. So,
Why?
magsusuot
Does it
daw
go?
siya doon and mag-makeup. Okay? So, let's go! Night time na guys, kaya sobrang ganda ng paligid, no? Okay, let's go! Yung paligid. Ito, bus yan ng Shanghai. Tour of Shanghai. So, ayan guys. So, sobrang ganda. Tapos kung makikita nyo, ayan, para siyang Las Vegas talaga, yung side na yan, oh. So, let's go! Sakay na kami ng taxi para pumunta doon, guys. Okay, go faster. You need to be faster here because you're in the road, guys. Quick, quick! Quick, we're in the road! What today then? So, ayun na, punta na tayo doon. Yeah, different. Guys, nandito na kami. Eh, yung Temple na famous. Papakita ko sa kanila. Let's go. Why? Let's go. Ayan, walking kami. Bayan. Ganyan na Ayana, oh. Ang mga costumes.
几点关门这边啊？
10点钟，现在拍来得及的。
Ayan guys, oh. Sobrang nice. Parang Pinterest, no? Ayan, dadalhin siya doon. Dyan siya may make-upan, guys. Dinala na siya doon, guys, para may make-upan, tsaka bibihisan. Oh, magaganda si Ayana.
刚刚你说的那个价格的衣服在那
Dyan siya
里。
may make-upan. Wow. Ganda. Ay, yun, ayosot. Pili ka yan ha. What you want? Choose. Dali. Siya guys ha. Yan, alakad niya yan ha. Wow, nice. So, ganyan yun. Pagpipicturean, pagkaanin ka. Yung make-upan. Ayan oh. Ganda oh. Baby yan oh. Ganda. Ang ganda oh. Ay,
妹妹过去
Yes, okay.
Ganda girl. Ganda.
이럴 때는 제가 너무 예뻐서 그냥 사진 찍어요. 괜찮지?
Ayan si Ayana.
다리 걷고 서서 있어.
Isa yan, update kay Ayana. Tingnan natin. Ang ganda naman siya. Ayan guys, oh. Ayan guys, oh. Hair and makeup. Guys, balikan natin yung after, okay? So, mga 5 minutes pa yan. So, ayan guys, hindi na ako nagpa-ganon guys kasi after nyan, kailangan mo maligo. Kaya tamad ako maligo. Lalagyan ng spray net yung buhok. Tapos lalagyan ka ng makapal na makeup guys. 9 PM na guys. Ganyan katagal. Ay, ganda ni ate oh. Ito yun, nilalagyan na dito oh. Nice oh. May long hair na siya ngayon guys oh. Wow, instant long hair si Jeje. Guys, so tinali na nila. Wow, parang traditional Chinese talaga siya, no?
Mommy haven't take. Tala.
Good.
Can. I say can. I say you put it back. Red light. Green light. Red light.
随便一个，右边一个。对，这个 Chinese。哦，倒了，这个不顶。有点多余。
It's not here.
Oh, very pretty ah. Oh, so pretty naman, Jeje. Very pretty ha. Pretty. Oh, ito yung back niya, guys.
It's only
Ganito
good.
yung
That's
front.
here, not here.
Bakit eh?
Yeah, they need to get that.
Wow.
So? Oh.
Okay, let's go. let's go.
I need to test it.
So guys, ayan, dahil tapos na, bababa na kami para mag-photo shoot na siya. Photo shoot. Ganda. Photographer na guys. Ayan, maintindihan.
Who work 24 hours.
Ayan. Oh, the one in the ano.
Ballerina hat. Mount off.
Smile, Melo.
It is
Yeah, Aiden.
Smile.
Cheese. Hirapan na sa'yo si ate, ha?
here. Smile.
Cheese. Show your teeth.
Okay. We go next place.
Okay. Ayan guys, behind the scene. She take it. Go, go. Oh, behind the scene.
Sugar.
Ay, naku talaga. Pag talaga may kapatid to, oh. Di may kapatid nito, oh. Pag may kapatid, oh, namumuwisit.
You want to wear or not? I think this you want to wear
Namumuwisit.
also.
Wow, pretty.
Smile.
So guys, finally tapos na. Uwian na tayo. Ay, ginabi na tayo. 5 hours yata kami nandito. Let's go. Quick. Let's go. Uwian na.
Behave, ha?
Uwian na. Behave ha. Behave ha. Ayan. Let's go. After 5 hours yun ah. Okay lang guys. Bye.